everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
on the go. Oh, Jen, look at this lovely view behind us now.
Oh, I'm so excited to be here.
What a day we've been having. This is just lots and lots of stuff today that
It was a busy day.
Quite lovely, quite beautiful and pretty. So where are we? What are we doing now?
So we are at Port Orleans French Quarter. We were given room 6339. It's a river view room, and we're on the 3rd floor, building 6.
Yes.
And we wanted to show you our beautiful view before we do the room tour. We have done a couple French Quarter room tours, but as you all know, French Quarter has been closed since the
March
pandemic
of 2020.
started.
Yeah.
So it had just opened a couple weeks ago, and I'm so happy to be back. I love this resort.
Yeah, yeah. It's kind of one of those where we've stayed at a lot of different places since everything reopened, so we bounced around quite a bit. This is just one. I think the big thing about it is that, okay, except for that cart there, and you heard the little cart going by, the tram or whatever it was that went by, not a tram, what was that that went by? Golf cart. But now you've got the cleaner with her cart over there. But okay, just wait, listen.
It's so quiet.
It is. Like we're at Disney and it's so quiet. So, yes. And then we have the Sasagula behind us.
Oh, it's so pretty back here. It's just so calm and peaceful.
It is. It's really nice.
It is. It's really pretty.
And as you can tell, or maybe you haven't noticed, but Jen, what's missing? People. There's nobody here.
I know.
It's just us.
That's okay.
You can run up and down this hallway naked and no one would know.
All right, so you want to see the room?
Yes.
Okay. So you walk in, and it's just your standard 2 queens, table and chairs to the left.
Go flip some lights on.
Let's see.
Probably over there somewhere. In between the beds. There you go, that's a little better. That's a little better. So definitely a New Orleans kind of theme to this place.
A vibe.
Yeah.
And then just straight back, you've got a little bench for your luggage if you want to put it there. And your bathroom. Oh.
Now they did refurb these rooms before the COVID shutdown. So we definitely like the way all these resorts are going to no carpeting, raised platform beds, so that way you have room underneath for hiding bodies. I mean, putting your luggage. So that's kind of nice.
And you've got your refrigerator.
Hold on, let me, there you go. Got your fridge and drawers, a few drawers here and the little cabinet. Dresser.
And, so, okay, so here's the little Keurig with your teas and coffees and ice bucket.
Yeah.
TV. Oh, you know what? That's interesting. So,
The enhanced cleaning remote.
yeah, so, September at Wilderness Lodge, it was not wrapped.
You're right.
Where else did we stay?
The Hyatt last night was not
The
wrapped.
Hyatt was not wrapped.
Yeah.
Where do we did movies? It was not wrapped
Yeah.
because we were in movies in September and Wilderness Lodge in October. Wilderness Lodge was not wrapped in August.
Interesting.
July, it was not wrapped at Beach Club.
Well,
Interesting.
if you want a wrapped remote, come to French Quarter.
I just think that's interesting.
Yeah.
And did you see the beads, the Mardi Gras beads?
I did not.
On the table?
So, yeah.
That's a cute touch.
Yeah.
Instead of a towel Mickey.
Got the Mardi Gras beads. Very nice, very cute. It is New Orleans, Mardi Gras. That's the theme of the resort. So let's finish checking out the bathroom.
And then just your double sink.
We got a little area here with the hangers, extra pillow blankets.
Lots of towels. I love how there's some down here. You've got 4 here, so you've already got 6 bath towels, and that's a plus. I always love having extra bath towels.
Yes, you do. So that'll last you about a day.
And then you've got, so there's no, bath mat. And then your shampoo, conditioner, body wash, your H2O.
And then the shower, the rainfall shower head.
Rainfall shower head.
That's the standard. You know, not too bad.
It's clean.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
All right, so now we have to go grab the rest of the luggage from the car. Because we are doing something special tonight. We've mentioned this a couple times, but we're doing the Give Kids the World Night of a Million Lights, and we still have to grab something for dinner. So we will check back with you guys later, because that will be another video. But in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because we could be giving more room tours. We could be in Epcot. We could be drinking an avocado margarita. You just don't know, so you have to tune in.
Or we could be having a drink at Scat Cat Club, because that's open down there too. Did you see that?
No,
and
I didn't.
They had the beignets. They were.
Oh, I'm not eating a beignet tonight. I'll get powdered sugar all over.
No, not tonight. I'm just saying they had that open too. I saw
know.
that. So when we came in, you had to go to the desk to check. We need to mention that too, just simply because.
Yeah.
You had to go to the desk because we did not receive a room ready text, and it was past 4 o'clock. So like, we have things to do tonight. We need a room.
And then the gal at the front desk told me that we did not do the online check-in, and I said yes, we
did. So
then she was like, well, your room's not ready. So I said, hey, is there any way you can put us in a different room then? And then all of a sudden a room was available, and we got the Riverview room that we paid for. Yeah. But it was kind of like she was not willing to go the extra mile to help us get to where we needed to be. And this is not the first time this has happened at French Quarter. We've had similar problems with not getting the room ready text and having to go to the front desk, and it's always this resort.
Yeah, which is, we still love coming here. We really do. It's so quiet.
This is my second favorite resort on property, with Wilderness Lodge being the first. But we have this problem consistently when we come here.
Yeah, so that is kind of
only
odd.
French Quarter.
Yeah, and so,
yeah, this has happened 3 times.
But that said, at least we're here, and it does, I mean, I guess the other thing too is that with all the different resorts that we've stayed at since they reopened almost a year and a half ago, we've always had the room ready texts early.
Between like 9 and 10 in the morning, we've been really spoiled.
Yeah, so this one was a little later, but anyway, we're here. We got a room. It's all good. It's clean. It's wonderful. It's great. And so now we are going to get changed, get ready, and move on with our day. So, and perhaps tonight afterwards, we have a drink at Scat Cat.
Maybe.
Maybe. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.